So far, you know, persons with disability in this country don't pay taxes. The aim of that was for them to be able to use the taxes that they were supposed to pay to buy assistive devices. Also, we exempt all equipments that are supposed to be used by persons with disability, but due process have to be followed. Sometimes our officers are not doing due diligence. Some people want to corrupt the system so that they import vehicles in containers and claim that they are assistive devices, probably put a few wheelchairs and masquerade as their assistive devices. So due diligence must be followed, but in our disability charter with the UDA, which is now the ruling party, we agreed that all equipments that are supposed to be used by persons with disability should be exempted. Again, we agreed in the disability charter that all equipments that will be used by Kiwa International, because it is specifically for corrective surgeries, will be exempted from taxes.
We actually have a waiting time. We are realizing that as we go to do more and more of our mobile clinics, more and more children need these surgeries. So due to this great demand, we want to raise money, we want to expand our theatre and expand our services so we can reach every child who has a correctable deformity in Kenya.
Corrective surgery costs about not less than 150,000 for one single surgery. And therefore, if you multiply that by the number, you find we are talking about a huge amount of money, which the hospital doesn't have, our donors can't raise, and at the same time, the hospital does